memory. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it. I remember how our hands used to touch.
Name of the hair is HEADBAND and it's from Amazon hair store, and this is how the hair came, guys. I'll go right ahead and open the package and see what is inside. And this is a cute headband which matches my top, guys. Isn't that cute? And this looks like it's another headband. Yes, I was right, guys. It is another cute headband. This unit is 18 inches and it's deep, curly headband wig, guys. No lace front, so guys, you don't have to worry if you can't lay the lace because this is just a throw and go. And this is the cap construction. As you can see, it has the headband around. The back has a velcro, so that's what you'll secure at the back. It has a comb at the back, 3 combs, one on either side and one in the middle.
Your spirit hides from me as tears run down my face.
I'll go right ahead and put the wig on. I'll be securing the comb under my cap. And guys, you can put the hair as close to your hairline as you want, or you can put it further to the back. I am securing the velcro at the back, and guys, this has enough stretch, guys, so you can adjust the velcro to fit your head size, so we don't have to worry, guys. Oh, if this is big head friendly, yes, this is definitely big head friendly because it is adjustable.
So I gotta move on. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. The more we try, the harder to move.
Now I'm going in with my spray bottle and spray the hair with some water.
Personally, I did this for me. I did this for me.
I'll go in with the wide tooth comb and comb the hair out. And so far, guys, I've not experienced no shedding from the units.
And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no, now you don't have to put on makeup every day, and I love your.
Now it's time to doll up this wig, guys, with this cute headband. Want to make sure The headband is covering the black band on the cap. Now is the time to style the hair to your own liking, guys. You can wear the hair like this, you can put it in ponytail, you can put it in a bun. There is so many options to style this unit, guys. It is very versatile, and as I said before, guys, we don't have to worry about that lace lifting, guys, or laying that lace. We just throw this unit on and through the door we can go. Now I'm gonna put the hair in a ponytail, guys. I am feeling this unit, guys. It is natural looking. Guys, we can leave our hairline out and give this hairline a break. The color of the hair is natural black. The length is 18 inches. The density is 150. The texture is deep, curly human hair, guys. And if you're interested in this unit, the link will be in the description down below, guys. So you can go and check the hair out. Thank you for watching, and as always, guys, leave your girl some love, like, share, subscribe, and all of those good stuff. Until next time, walk good.
And I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face. Cause baby, I love it's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try for real. Perfect as you are. You don't have to change. Cause baby, I love